What's up, you guys? It's Crocodile Cam. Time for the animal of the day. RZA got me with the drum roll. Let's get it going. The animal of the day is the jaguarundi. And despite the name, they're not actually closely related to jaguars. Their closest relative is the puma. And yes, pumas, mountain lions, and cougars are all the same thing. They just have different names depending on what region they're in. Jaguarundis can be found in both North and South America. Here in North America, they can be found in Texas, Arizona, and have even been seen in New Mexico. In South America, they can be found as far as southern Uruguay. Now, jaguarundis are roughly the size of a large domestic house cat, but they're significantly more athletic. They can run up to 60 miles an hour, which makes them not only one of the fastest cats, but one of the faster land animals on Earth. They can jump over 6 feet vertically just to catch birds flying overhead. They have long tails that allow them to balance while running through the trees to catch monkeys. And they're incredible swimmers. They even have the nickname the otter cat, based upon their swimming abilities and the fact that they kind of look like an otter. Now, we used to believe that there was about 8 different species of jaguarundi, but due to recent genetic research, we've discovered that there's only one. What's that sound? It's quiz time, you guys. Are you ready? Let's do it. Outside of the puma, what other cat is the jaguarundi closely related to? Is it A, cheetahs, B, domestic house cats, C, ocelots, or D, margays? It's time to figure it out. If you guessed A, cheetahs, then you got it right. If you got it right, go ahead and comment down below. And if not, better luck next time. I hope you learned something new. Cheetahs are in the Acinonyx genus, and they are the only living members of this genus. And while this relationship is still being studied, it is believed that the ancestors of cheetahs and pumas split in America before cheetahs made their way to Africa and Asia. Now, fortunately, the jaguarundi is listed as an animal of least concern on the IUCN Red List. But in both North and Central America, their populations are seriously declining, and they're extremely rare. This is because of habitat destruction and human and animal interactions and conflicts. Some of the interactions that are occurring are jaguarundis getting run over by cars as they try to cross roads that were paved right through their natural habitat. And jaguarundis are predators. So when people build farms on their land, the jaguarundis see those chickens and other smaller farm animals as prey, which leads to them being treated like coyotes and wolves and other animals that prey on farm animals. That means the farmers are trying to shoot and kill them to protect their animals. Now, how can we protect them? There's a few different ways. First, and the one that I always say, is take some time and educate yourselves and educate those around you. You can't care about something that you don't know about. Next, you can promote wildlife conservation culture. Now, how can we do that? The first way is educating yourselves, just like I mentioned. Next, you can do small things like picking up litter, voting for politicians who are going to protect the wildlife that we have around us, not using AI when avoidable, not killing bugs when they're inside your house and instead taking them outside and setting them free, planting native plants in your yards instead of just having grass, not raking up leaves because bugs use those as shelter. And when they decompose, the nutrients goes right back into the soil. We can also push for different areas to be blocked off just for wildlife. That will prevent roads from being paved right through where they live. And there are so many other things that you and I can do to create that conservation culture. Now, jaguarundis are amazing animals, and I definitely love them. But no, you can't have one as a pet. It is illegal and immoral. These animals deserve to be admired and protected in the wild where they belong. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you learned something new. Crocodile Cam out.